This is Camille Wakesurfing, and I have the key to help you get up on a wake surfboard. But first, most people are using one of two views when showing you how to get up on a wake surfboard. Either this one from the boat or this one from the rider. These both present a problem. It's difficult to have a high-level understanding of what's actually going on when you get up on a wake surfboard, which is why I give you this view. All you need to do is push your heels down, slide your butt to your heels, point your toes, and stand up. That was a little quick. Let me slow it down for you. Lay in the water on your back. Rest your feet up on the board, like Camille. Place your heels towards the back edge of the board, this backside edge right here. Just like her, have your toes sticking straight up in the air. And see how the board's just laying there flat in the water. She's not putting any pressure on her heels yet. As the boat starts moving, push your heels down. This flips the board up on your feet, like this. Your body should be in this position, with your hands raised. If you're getting value from this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel so I can keep making boating content just for you. Next, slide your butt to your heels. You want to get that booty super close to your heels. Camille's doing a perfect job right here. I mean, just look at Camille's placement of her butt. Now, point your toes down. This typically happens naturally. This allows you to pivot the board on top of the water, like so. Then just stand up. I can't emphasize this enough. Do not pull to your chest. Everybody does it, but do not pull. If you do, you're gonna fall. The next thing you need to learn is how to stay in the sweet spot. It can be a little tricky. Naturally, I made a video just for you. Click right here, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.